Banag. Hey. Kambabulire leero. Like leero tugenda kufumba akatoogo. Tugenda kufumba ki? Akatoogo. So this is our meat. Yes, leero tugenda kufumba akatoogo. Kitegeera. Our meat is here. And then this is our spice. This is the tomatoes, this is the hoho, and our meat is here and the onions already cooking. And then here we have the Irish potatoes, shaky. That is Irish potatoes. The waru in Kenya is called waru. Yes. And then here tulinamu matoke, green bananas. Yeah. Tulinamu green bananas. Yeah. Wano. Nelero tugenda kufumbamu akatoogo. Today we are going to cook a mixture of waru, and green bananas for just a light supper. That is what we are having. And yeah, a very simple supper. Yeah, not a lot of things, but just very simple, very easy. Otherwise, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your girl again here with another video. So we are cooking dinner. Meanwhile, how are you guys? Hey, how have you been? Today is the weekend. Bakuation, hey guys, tell me what you drinking. Bakuation, hey, kuringa tushali bawala. Twali tuberanga ngetuka Friday, ngoli, ngena kunywa shi, lero ngena kwambala shi. That today what am I going to dress on today? It's a weekend, lazima. Someone needs to go out and have some fun and have some refreshment. Yeah, refresh yourself after the too much stress from work, you know. Yes, so with that we just put our waru, Irish potatoes there too. We deep fry it a little. Tell me how you deep fry yours, how you normally cook yours. Ngamba go fumbanga tia, go fumba katogo. Mze, I love it to cook like this. Yes, I start with the Irish potatoes, then the rest of the things will come later. Yes. So, and this is our matoke. So let's put it together and it cooks together. Now, I want to tell you something. You see, the problem with this Kenyan matoke, it's not sweet. At the same time, they don't leave it to get mature in the garden, in the plantation. They just harvest the thing when it is not yet enough ready. And if you can see the size, you see the size, that means this matoke was harvested when it is not enough ready. Yes. Another thing, it's not sweet. Another thing, when you cook it, it will be black. Yes. Now let me tell you, if you go to Uganda, for those ones who have ever gone to Uganda to explore, to know what is happening in Uganda, to know the staple food for Uganda, yes, you know, and you have ever tasted this food in Uganda, the matoke, how it is. And by the way, this katogo, it's in Uganda. It's a mixture of meat and ndizi, a mixture of meat, greens, and Irish potato. So even you can just cook your matoke and meat only. It's called katogo. And this, you can have it even for your breakfast. If you go to a restaurant or for a hotel, you order for something, you early in the mornings. You'll find this one is part of breakfast in Uganda. Really, it's really yummy, most especially in the morning. Yes. I'm telling you, this is, if you saw the video, if you didn't watch the other video last time when I was cooking uh this matoke, green matoke, yes, then you can wash it. Yes, really can wash it. This matoke is really nice. Katogo. Yes, katogo. See that combination? You're going to eat and you're going to get satisfied. A very simple dinner, very simple for simple stomach. Yes. So if you go to Uganda, you'll find that since the matoke is a staple food for Ugandans. Akawunga, tetubeeranga n'akawunga nga side. Yes, as on a side food. Not something that we eat every day like the way here in Kenya. Ugali is for every day, but in Uganda people will eat matoke every day. So like this now, I don't want it to overcook, and then we put our our what? Our spices. Yes. Then I want to put a little water. See that drop of water? I'm going to put it because so that it won't burn. Later on, we have the Royco cube here. Here we go. Then we just put it on top like that, and we're good to go. Yes. And then we cover it. We leave it for just 1 minute or 2 minutes, the tomatoes to cook, and then we add some water for it to cook, and then we leave it to cook for a few minutes, and it will be ready. Are you yet subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you haven't, what are you still waiting for? Don't waste your time. Just subscribe. Subscribe for more great videos. Yes, don't miss out. Subscribe. So let's mix these tomatoes. I wish you guys were near. You'll smell that that nice aroma. Oh my god. So our tomatoes is ready actually. So let's put the water for the soup. Let's put this one. You don't have to put a lot of soup because it is going to cook and overcook. It's going to overcook and become, all the potatoes will be smashed. Yummy. So like that, we had some little salt. I want to add a pinch because of my baby boy. I don't want food that has a lot of salt. So with that, we cover it and we leave it now to cook. Yes, cook. Let it cook and then we get back later. So guys, our ndizi is ready. Can you see that? Ready, like ready. Woo. Can you see that? I want to test a little bit of that. You see that? Wow. Just take a look at that. Very yummy. It's cooked. Ready to be eaten. This is very satisfying. So I'll have to test it for you guys. Mmm. Mm. Very nice. So thank you guys. That is all for today's video. If you want to try this recipe, try it out and you'll thank me later. Yes, it's really yummy, nice, and very tasty. So thank you so much. That is all for today's video. I will see you on the next one. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Just hit that like you don't care. Hit it like you don't care. Subscribe like you don't care. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. And for my returning subscribers, mwah, I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. And the Jah bless you. May the Jah bless you. I'll see you and have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye. Try this out and have a taste.